everyone, thanks for watching. I just wanted to share some money bags that I got from Facebook name is Hmong, M-O-N-G space M-O-N-G. He was selling these old Hmong like vintage money bags for a really good price, so I decided to get them all because you don't see these anymore. They make really fancy ones now, but you don't see these like really mama fun down now of how they make it. So I never really realized the difference, like when my mom was like, oh, that's not a good one, or that's a good one. Like I never really understood. So here's an example of a really good one, I think, is one that would be like this. This one is really nice because it's like really small and mama, I guess. Maybe that's what they mean. I still kind of don't understand it, but this one is really mama. Like, you know, the whole pattern is really small and tight. Compared to something like this one. I mean, obviously it's bigger, but then like this one, it's the $1 bigger. Like the way they made it a lot bigger than this one, where they could have made it like tight, like small like this one, but they made it bigger. So I think that's what they mean when oh, it's not that nice because it's not like mama like this one. And so they don't make these like this one anymore. To mama, I'll show you one that I bought. If I can get it. Here, let me find it. Here's an example of one I bought just last year. As you can see, the pattern, I mean, I think this one's still pretty, but the pattern is a lot bigger than this. So I think if they would have made a bunch of small ones, it would have been prettier. But still, they're all kind of pretty in their own way. So there it is. Just wanted to share with you guys. I can go around quick here. Just show you guys the pairs. These I got from a lady in Thailand actually. So it looks kind of different. But you can, it's interesting though how you can kind of tell that they were the same makers, like because you know, just by like this pattern here, and you know how like mama they did it, you can tell it's the same like maker, like this pattern here, and then the style, you know, like again the pattern and the style, like how it's like really small and detailed. So it's interesting how you can tell that it was probably all made by one person. But and then they also have this like gold, like shiny thread that they put in there too. So that's even another detail, like going over that and then doing this one. Oh, it's just amazing. Okay guys, thanks for watching.